Okay, how to add channel to your Roku. You go to add channel. Then you go find your channel you want. We say I want to add the CW. You hit that. You hit add app. It's gonna add the app. It says the app has been added to your home page. You hit OK. You hit the home button on your remote. And then you go down to your home page. And there it is. And you can move it by pressing the star key on your remote. Put move app. And you can move it. Or you can delete it even if you say, oh, I don't like that app no more. You can go here and hit remove app. That is how you add a channel to your Roku TV, Roku Ultimate, whatever Roku device. That's how you add a channel. You go up here to add a channel. You just add a channel. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.